Caleb Aldridge, David Aldridge's son, and we'll be doing 2 simple steps of doing first guitar. Alright, so I'm going to pick up my guitar now, and we'll be doing it. So, alright kids, so this is called, alright, so we're going to do something called arpeggios, which is an introduction to learning guitar. Alright, so I'm going to play it for you. So you got, so we got your third string, go like this. Alright, so have a practice. I'll give you a second. Alright, so what we want to do is pluck the string. It doesn't matter if you use your thumb or pluck string or your finger, it's fine. So what you want to do is this. So and the other trick is, and the other step is to do this. Right, so have a bit of a practice tonight to see how good your arpeggios are. I know over time this is going to be perfect, alright? Alright, so like you play your notes, so you play the G notes on your Alright, so imagine if what did I say? Right, so what we're going to do now is this. Memory exercises song, so let's do our pigeon steps. Alright guys, so that is pigeon steps because you're going step by step. Guys, so that is hopping rabbit done. So now we'll be doing leaping kangaroo. Remember guys, when you're doing your examiner really likes it when you do your fast or slow, when you do your loud and quiet. Alright? Alright, so watch me have a play of leaping kangaroo.